your eyes open, huh?
Hey! Are you slimy, double-crossing, no-good swindler? You got a lot of guts coming here, after what you pulled. How you doing, you old pirate? So good to see you! I never thought I'd get to see you again.
Well, he seems very friendly.
Yes. Very friendly.
What are you doing here?
Ah, repairs. I thought you could help me out.
What have you done to my ship?
Your ship? Hey, remember, you lost her to me fair and square.
And how you doing, Chewbacca? You still hanging around with this loser? Hello, what have we here? Welcome, I'm Lando Calrissian. I'm the administrator of this facility. And who might you be?
Leia.
Welcome, Leia.
All right. You old smoothie.
Hello, sir. I am C-3PO Human Cyborg Relations. My facilities are at your... Well, really.
What's wrong with the Falcon?
Hyperdrive.